He's got smiles for miles. It's your host, the Dancing Banana! Nonsense non sequiturs. I've been trying to join a baseball team, and to try to get myself acquainted with the players, I asked the manager their names. We got into a big argument, and I think I got most of them figured out, but what I can't get straight is, who's on first? Nonsense non sequiturs. Do you have any blimps available? Science rules. It's time for a special guest question. Introducing Bordy the Smartboard.
Hiya, folks! Here's your question. The periodic table of elements is a reference meant to assist scientists by making it easy for them to look up different elements and their properties without having to memorize them. But we're throwing all that out the window and seeing if you've memorized one for the sake of trivia! What is the name of the element shown here? Well, I fulfilled my duties. Bye for now.
Taste test. I love cake, and I love cookies. They share a lot of ingredients, but there's one particular ingredient that's considered the main ingredient in both. What is it? Probably geography. A new cardinal! The bright red color could match your new car, if you had one. I've been looking to sneak in a little me time and get myself some much-needed R&R. I want to go somewhere without many people around. Seriously, the fewer the better. Which continent is the least populated? I don't like that. Which phobia is the fear of repeating patterns and clusters of small holes? Nope. What's the word? Sorry, but have you seen what they're doing with AI these days? They're using it to replicate speech, trying to make it sound like real people. Do you realize what this means? I'm gonna be out of a job. I can't keep up with the output a machine voice can do. They can just keep cranking takes out. But me doing voice work takes it out of me. I've gotta have periods of rest. Like, can you imagine being made to say line after line after line without time to stop and rest your voice? Those robot voices don't need that. They can just keep on going and going and going. Oh, you can't see it, but I'm waving my hands around wildly to make my points as I describe this nightmare scenario. What word best describes what I'm doing? Eyes on the prizes. What chain of grocery stores could you win round-trip travel compensation to? Science rules. What is the largest organ of the human body? I want to know for, reasons. Hey, that works for me. Eyes on the prizes. What is the model year of the Evolvo Fart Hinder? Monumental landmarks. Say I wanted to go back in time and see the Statue of Liberty while it was first being constructed. You know, before it turned all green. Where would I need to travel once I was in the past in order to see it while it was first being built? Not the pedestal, mind you, just the statue itself, just in case somebody wants to be a smart aleck. Artistic integrity. Primary colors. Colors you can mix together to get any other color. If you had some spotlights and wanted to be able to mix together every color you could think of, what colors of light would you need? It's lit, fam! To be or not to be? That is not the question. The question is, who wrote the famous play Hamlet? Good enough! A new card! It's an ace of spades. Congratulations! You're the winner of Shovelwares Brain Game! That's all for this round, but we'll be right back with another episode in just a few minutes. This episode is sponsored by Lazy Brand Lazy Obstacles, the leading supplier of red plastic rectangles that can sometimes be interpreted as lava. Speaking of which, you should play my hobby sometime. I worked really hard on it, you know.